Hello, Dr. Kristen. My name is Calvin Burkhart with Mr. and Mrs. Leeds, and we're a digital marketing agency. I happen to be doing some research in your area, in the North Dayton area. I used to live out in Columbus, Ohio, and commute out to Beaver Creek for work all the time. And so I was just in the neighborhood doing some research. I came across you guys' website, and I figured I'd shoot you guys over this quick video to give you guys 3 tips on how you can beat out your competition online. So I don't want to waste your time, and I don't want to waste my time either, so I'll keep this video short. But if by the end of this video you like what I have to say and the tips that I've given, and you can tell that I have a lot of experience in growing businesses online, please give me a call and we can chat. If not, please just take these tips that I've given you for free and use them for yourself. The only thing that I ask is for some feedback on this video. So without further ado, I'd like to jump in the 3 things that I can tell that you guys can use to help bring you guys some more business online. So the 3 things I'm going to go over is content, citations, and backlinks. First thing is content. That's anything that you can see on your page is considered content, including the pictures, what the pictures are saved as, and also what's behind the pictures could be included as content. Now I can see that there's not a whole lot of content on your front page, but I did some research and I can tell that you guys have about 26 pages in total on your website, and a lot of those are blogs. Some blogs are from 2018. Some are from 2019, but these blogs are unique, authoritative content having to do with the services that you offer, and in return it's getting you found for some relevant keywords and key phrases that people are going to be using to search for you guys. So using a tool I like to use, this is a, oops, wrong one. Alright, so this is a Google tool that I like to use. It just helps us identify what's working well. So I have it set for physical therapy in your area as a search, and it's also mimicking the Android operating system, so what it would look like on someone's phone. So the second thing I want to go over with you today is citations, and it has to do with this map section down here. But anytime you do a search, first thing that you're going to see is an ad. Now these are people that are paying to be on the top of the search, but they don't always work, especially nowadays when people have a lot of ad blockers. So if they're using an ad blocker, they may not even see this ad. But down here in this map section, that's where a lot of people are getting business from, and as you can see, there's ads there as well. But in order to get ranked high in here and to beat out your competition in this map section, you need to have more citations than them. And what a citation is it's essentially your business's name, address, and phone number listed throughout different directories all throughout the web. And you might be asking yourself, what's a directory? Well, a directory would be something like Facebook or Yellow Pages or Yelp, any one of those online sources that allow businesses to list their business information and their business services, just creating another avenue for people to find you. So that's what I wanted to cover with tip number 2 is citations. If you want to beat out your competition online, you need to make sure that you're listed in the same directories as your competition. And then also you don't want to stop there. So to truly beat them out, you want to start listing yourself in more directories. That way you have more avenues for people to find you. Now the third thing I'm going to cover today has to do with the organic section. So underneath the maps has to do with backlinks. And so when you think of the internet, the web is just made up of a bunch of different websites that are linking back and forth to one another. And so a backlink would just be that. So similar to a citation, it's just an online source. It's giving a link back to your website saying that you guys offer physical therapy services, etc. That'll give you a boost in your rankings by having another hospital or another someone in the health profession linking back to you guys saying that you offer physical therapy services. So looking at another tool I like to use called Ahrefs, this gives me an idea of what's working well for you and what's also working well for your competition. And so with this tool, I can see that you guys have 5 referring domains, giving you 11 backlinks, and in return, you're getting found for 34 keywords, which is bringing you on average 11 people to your website each month. So if I go into the referring domains, it'll give me an idea of like where you are currently listed. So Yellow Pages, that would be a directory. And then also looking at your keywords, let me go back. I can tell where most of your traffic is coming from. Now, this isn't 100% accurate. As you can see, some of these keywords were last checked against your website September 16th, August 29th. So it's not always 100% accurate and up to date. You're going to get that information directly from Google, if you have your analytics set up correctly, Google's going to be able to tell you the most accurate and up-to-date information on where your keywords or key phrases are sitting in the search engine. So looking at one of your competitors here, this is Pole King Chiropractic. They got 38 referring domains, giving them 138 backlinks, getting them found for 300 organic keywords, bringing them almost 500 people a month to their website without having to pay for ads. So if I look in the keywords here, you can see a lot of their keywords having to do with Dayton, Pole King Chiropractic, their name brand, and that sort of thing. So if you want to truly beat out your competition, you want to make sure that you're going out and you're getting yourself listed in as many of these websites that they're listed in. But same thing with citations, you don't want to just stop there. You want to make sure that you're going out and getting even more than them, and that it's relevant to your industry or your service. So I hope this has been informative, and I hope you got a lot out of this. Please, like I said, take the tips that I've given you here for free and use them for yourself. Just give me some feedback on this video and how I did. But if you'd like to know more about how Mr. and Mrs. Leads can help grow your business, give me a call and we can chat. Thanks again for taking the time, and you have a great day.